Right, as you see, I'm on to the academic now. Why? Because once that's on, yeah, and all the nuts and the are put through the studs, yeah, and some of them came out with the studs, so I just thread them through. Anyway, once those are on, you have a specific torque for every head, yeah, which in this case for this Jeep is not exact. It's between 65 and 75 pound per foot. So we set it, yeah, and you tighten it. But there's also a specific order in which you tighten it. Usually it's from the middle out, yeah. And this book tells us first one is that, yeah, then you go to that, 2, then 3 is there, yeah, so tung tung tung, yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can see, this goes tung, tung. It goes like that, tuck tuck tuck, yeah, tung 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 tung. It starts moving from the inside out, and that tightens the whole thing evenly. So that's it. That's what I'm doing now. See you later, mate.